ManpowerGroup is a world leader in innovative workforce solutions. We've been in business over 70 years. We're in over 80 countries, and we bring a complete talent solution to our clients. It's a very competitive market, and you need to have every bit of data and analytics and such to back up your rationale for presenting a certain product or solution. Dynamics 365 gives us everything that our clients want and that our competitors wish they had.
We started to engage with the Microsoft team around Power Apps to bring speed and consistency across the account planning process so that we can look at it from one lens. The account planning app was developed rapidly, seamlessly integrated to Dynamics, and it's a one-stop shop for managing sales on a day-to-day basis. That's the agility we need.
Now we're able to consolidate an incredible amount of activity. Before we weren't able to do that. People know specifically where to find trends with the client, how they buy, what our SWOT is. They're not fishing through 300 slides to try to figure out where important data was that they needed. And of course, we're able to get global. So if you see that there's somebody in a position, you don't have that business in your country, through the Account Plan Power App, you can ask for an introduction. By doing that, we're able to put ourselves in a better position to win. It's a huge advantage to ManpowerGroup.
For salespeople, it is all about efficiency. It's seamlessly integrated to their mobile device, which means they can do it on the road and make decisions real time. That's the value Power Apps brings to us. We can act quickly and execute quickly, listening to our clients and building solutions rapidly. That's the competitive edge. I've always looked at Microsoft as a partner. This started with our customer success manager and the broader account team really working with us on a day-to-day basis on what can we do together to drive efficiency, improve customer experience. It was not truly about selling the product. It was about what is the business problem we're trying to solve. That's been the differentiator.
We can take this technology and the analytics and the data and try to always be ahead of the game. At the end of the day, when I go to sleep, I could say that I've actually helped people grow in their personal life, make a living, provide for their families, and grow in their business.